Hello all, I'm Abhirami from RMK Engineering College, pursuing Electronic and Instrumentation Engineering. I would like to demonstrate the working model of our project RFID based library management system using biometric sensor along with my teammates Madangi and Pratisha. The vision behind this project is the automation of library system. To achieve it, we investigated the process where manual operation is necessary and have come up with appropriate solutions to mitigate it. Now I'll explain the drawbacks in conventional method. First, it requires the user to own a card. The problem behind this is, what if he lost the card? It ends up in another tedious process of producing new card. To overcome this, we are introducing fingerprint as fingerprints are unique. The second one is the process of check-in and check-out requires manual assistance as it involves maintaining register of user and also of the book. To overcome this, we introduced RFID tags in all books and IoT to store all the information in the cloud. It aids us in providing complete automation. Third, theft. To overcome it, we introduced buzzer that will alert the authority if someone tries to steal the book. Now we'll move on to the working model.
This is the setup for RFID based library management system using biometric sensor. This is our Arduino UNO fingerprint sensor, switches, RFID tag, tag reader, buzzer and IoT module. We have connected our IoT module using Wi-Fi. I have connected my mobile hotspot to it. And now we can see how to register fingerprint and taking books. So first I'm going to register my fingerprint. My fingerprint is stored. Now we can verify it. It has shown found ID number 0. So it shown place your card. Now I'm placing the book which is showing us RFID. So my tag is red and it has shown book taken P1. Now we could see in the IoT website. See, this is our IoT website we are using in here. It has shown person 1 taken book. So it's book ID, entry date and the date and time. See, it has shown person 1 taken, so book entry and all the details. In the same, if we give for tag and with the same user ID, we could go for the book return. And within 20 seconds, if the tag is not read, the buzzer will be read and it is shown as the theft.
When the user wants to check out a book, the RFID reader will read the RFID tag present in the book and the message will be displayed in the LCD display as book taken. With the help of RFID reader and RFID tags, the user can easily check out a book without standing in line for a long time. Similarly, when the user tries to return a book, the RFID tag will be read by using the RFID reader and the message will be displayed in the LCD display as book returned with the ID name. Once a book gets checked in or checked out, the status of the books get automatically updated in the IoT portal. Since we are using IoT, there is no need for manual updation of the status of the books. Once a book is checked out, a message is sent to the user indicating that the book is taken along with the entry date and the due date. Similarly, once a book is checked in, a message is sent to the user stating that the book is returned along with the return date.